Hello guys, welcome to Wanderlust Explorer. So today we are going to cover 6 countries in 10 days in Schengen zone. So how you can cover 6 countries in 10 days. So first thing you need to start your journey from Switzerland. So you will of course when you are coming to Switzerland, most probably you will arrive at Zurich airport in Switzerland, and then you need to choose the hotel in which you are going to stay. And of course you can check my video. I have already uploaded hotel in Switzerland, and in the city center it will be much better. So once you will arrive at Zurich, so our tour will start from Zurich. So first day we will try to explore city of Zurich, in which we can take a walking tour of Zurich city, which is wonderful. It's like very beautiful. And then apart from that, you can take cruise tour around the city. And then the must visit place in Zurich is Lindt House of Chocolate. They have really sweet yummy chocolates, and they have very big chocolate kind of tower, you can say. So you have to visit that Lindt House of Chocolate. And a walking tour you can do a cruise tour. And like this you will enjoy your day in Switzerland, in Zurich, for first day. Apart from that, if you are enthusiastic, want to cover more, then we have more options also, which you can do in day one. You can visit Lucerne, which is very near to Zurich, and they have very beautiful lake there. You can have a boat ride there also, as well as you can cover beautiful city of Lucerne also. You can take a walking tour or something like that. So these two are wonderful options for day one in Switzerland, in Zurich. And otherwise, if you want to do more things, then there is one option of Mount Titlis. Okay, that's also amazing. Switzerland, everything is amazing, everything is super beautiful, it's a superb experience. But you can do either Zurich and Lucerne walking tours, and House of Lindt chocolate factory visit. And if you want to add more, then you can visit Mount Titlis. So that's all for day one. Now for day two, I would recommend you should take a bus ride or a train ride, and you can go to Grindelwald and Interlaken. So that is must do thing in Switzerland if you are going to explore and going to visit Switzerland. And from the once you are going to Grindelwald, you will see what you have watched in movies, in many English and Bollywood and Hollywood movies. You will see those things there, those sceneries will be there. And apart from that, the best place which you can explore when you are in that area is Jungfrau region. You will go at Jungfrau. Yes, so you can watch my video for Jungfrau. I have already covered in detail. That will be day 2 for you guys. So now once you will reach in Interlaken, day 2, after finishing all the Jungfrau region activities, then you can stay at Interlaken for day 2. And just one more thing I want to let you know, that in Interlaken you can do paragliding also. That's also superb experience. A lot of people they enjoy that activities. Then you have horse rides also there. A lot of things are there, and it's superb. So beautiful scenery is there, the lake is there, the mountains are all around you, and the weather is fantastic. Food is amazing there. You can find food from all the countries in the world there. They have different cuisines available there. Yes, so you can stay there for your day 2 in Interlaken. And then next day, day 3, you can start your journey from Interlaken directly towards Italy. So we will start our day 3 like that. So for day 3, you can start your journey from Interlaken. You can have you can book a car if you want. If you want to enjoy beautiful sceneries along the way, you can have your private car, and then you can just start the journey. and you will have amazing views of Alps. And you know, this journey will start from Interlaken and it will cover all the way towards Lucerne, and then it will move towards Italy. And yeah, just one thing more, like you will pass from the Gotthard Pass, you know, it's like a tunnel, long tunnel, and you will see like how they built it long time ago. And it's really amazing. Like if you will have this journey by road, it's highly recommended. So you can start your day 3 like that, and then from there you can go to Italy. And Italy, I would recommend, if you're going like this by road, first place you should visit is Como city and Lake Como. It's like my favorite, you can say, like the best wonderful lake which I have visited. Like you can say top 5 lakes which I have visited, and I love that. Lake Como is like one of that, so you should visit that. Como city, you will find like old structures, old alleys, with like shops and restaurants, cafes with cathedrals. And then the Lake Como, you know, all along the lake you will find like restaurants, and of course you will try gelato also there. And it's really amazing experience. It's super beautiful, all the scenery, everything feels really fantastic. You can just walk around all this and you will feel amazing. And by finishing your day there, you can just head towards Milan, and that overnight stay you can do in Milan for your day 3. So now in day 4, you're already in Milan. So I would recommend you should take a walking tour of Milano. It's really beautiful city, a lot of art, a lot of architecture, a lot of old structures are there. And you know this, number one is Domo. I have already uploaded complete documentary of Domo. It is must visit. You need to visit Domo. You will see how they built each canopy, each element, you know, is explaining something. And it is marvelous. And how they built that for hundred of years, and still now they are doing, like, you know, some works there. So it's amazing. So Milano, once you do like a walking tour, you can buy a ticket, you can have a tour of Domo, and then other than that you can have like city tour. And must try thing there, you know, once you are in Milano, try pizza there. It's super delicious. You can have margarita with cheese and vegetables. Amazing, like, you know, you will love it. You will eat like 2-3 slices and you will feel wonderful. Yeah, like, you know, it was for me also, it was like that. Like I've never tried like that kind of juiciest pizza ever. So it's super amazing. Must do activity there. So like this we will finish our day 4 in Milano. So now for day 5, we can take like by air we can fly to France, Paris. And Paris, you know, like it has different vibes. It's like Parisian vibes are there, vibes are there. And so like once you will fly to Paris, I would recommend you should stay near to Eiffel Tower, because most of the things are there, you know, and it's so happening that place, like a downtown. And I would recommend, if possible, you can stay in Ibis like I did. And then in Paris, of course, must visit is Eiffel Tower. So you can just go there, like whatever you watched in movies and everything, like now you can experience that. And just book a ticket. They have like different levels, but it will depend on the timing, on what time you are going, like visiting. If you are going at late, so then they close like highest level, then they will send you only till middle level. If you have more time, okay, then you can enjoy all like levels there. uh, like, you know, observatory there, and you have wonderful, like, you know, view from those high level complete Paris. You can see river Seine is flowing there, cruises and everything. Just you can buy some souvenirs also from there. And there are some cafes. Like, it's amazing experience to visit Eiffel Tower. After Eiffel Tower, yes, then you can take cruise for river Seine. And you know, you have like all the Paris you can enjoy on cruise. And that's fantastic. Yes, one more thing which is amazing, must try breakfast in restaurants and cafes which are available there. Everyone is serving delicious, like you can try French toast with egg and strawberry with cream. It's so delicious. It's must try thing there. You can try, like, there are so many restaurants, Shakespeare, so many restaurants, like you should try, like cafes, oldest cafes available in the town, and you will have amazing experience. Then yes, once you are in Paris, you can visit Louvre Museum. Of course, that's must visit thing to do. And then yeah, you can go to Notre Dame Cathedral also there. So these are the things which you can do in Paris, and then enjoy your day in Paris. After that, you can fly to Belgium, Brussels, or you can take you can have a car ride, and just you can visit Belgium for next day. So for next day, you can go to Brussels in Belgium from Paris. What I did, I took a car ride from Paris to Brussels, Belgium. It's long journey, yes, but if you want, you can choose other means. But yeah, so Brussels also, it has beautiful things there. Like if you love arts, you can visit like Royal Museum of Fine Arts. Then there is one very famous structure which you must have seen, like online and in movies, atomium. Like in picture video it looks small, like small balls, but when you stand there, you watch like that huge structure, huge balls. It looks amazing. And even at night time, they have like some kind of lighting there which like illuminate all that thing, and it look like lighting balls. Amazing, massive, huge structure. So it's a must visit. So after Brussels, Belgium, you can spend your 2 days in Amsterdam in Netherlands. So Netherlands is huge. It is so beautiful, well developed country in Schengen zone. And Amsterdam, okay, that is like everyone know about Amsterdam, like a city of bicycle, city of canals. Like everyone is riding bicycle there. You will have different kind of vibe along the Grand Central Station, and you will see the art there. There are a lot of things, like they have things for everyone. Like what you need, you will find in Amsterdam. Yes, so in Netherlands, once you are there, the first thing you can visit is Amsterdam. Just go there, have a walking tour. If you know how to ride bicycle professionally, okay, then you can take a bicycle tour there, as walking tour is sufficient. Other than that, you can take a boat ride. That's amazing experience if you are going to Amsterdam. Then Netherlands is famous for windmills, so you should visit like Zandse windmill area or something. Like they have old windmills there, and so beautiful. You can visit that one. Apart from that, there's very beautiful place there is like in Groningen, and there like you can have like your own boat. You can rent it out, and you can have a boat ride there with beautiful structures all along. And if you want, you can try some pizza or some restaurants there also. Else you can cook at your home or at your Airbnb, and just you can do picnic there. It's best spot for picnic also, that thing. Then there's Zwolle. So a lot of places which you can visit, even other than Amsterdam in Netherlands. Netherlands is huge, beautiful, built infrastructure, everything is awesome there. So it's must visit. Like you should spend 2 days in Netherlands, and that will be awesome. So now for the final day, if you are in Netherlands and you are living near to German borders, so there is one city, Aachen, and that is also beautiful. That city has like a cathedral, city hall, and like these kind of things. So I would recommend you, if you are going there, so you can visit like in a day. Like maybe you can just visit the city of Aachen and explore these towns, and then you can come back to Netherlands. So like this, you can cover like 6 countries in 10 days or maximum 11 days, and you can have wonderful time there. You already explored like massive things in Europe. for your like a trip, and you can explore like different cultures, different cuisines, different like how people are living there. It is amazing experience. People are so welcoming, and they're so awesome, amazing people, and amazing food, amazing places to visit. It's must recommended thing to do, like visit these areas. And I hope you guys love this itinerary. If you have some questions, you can ask in the comments, and if you want to give your recommendation for like places to visit in 10 days, it's like it will be amazing. I am like looking forward to that. Thank you so much guys for watching.